Understanding, Stay Attentive, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stay attentive. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in both casual and formal situations. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Stay attentive is a phrase that combines two words, stay and attentive. Stay is a verb that means to remain in a particular state or position. Attentive, an adjective, refers to paying close and careful attention. When combined, the phrase, stay attentive, means to continue being focused and paying attention. It's often used in situations where concentration and focus are important. You might hear, stay attentive, in various contexts. For example, a teacher might say it to students during a lesson, or a boss might use it during a meeting. It's a polite and formal way of asking someone to focus and not get distracted. When you use this phrase, it shows that you are considerate about the importance of what is being discussed or done. Let's look at some examples to understand better how stay attentive can be used. In a classroom, students, please stay attentive while I explain this concept. In a business meeting, it's crucial for everyone to stay attentive during this presentation. In daily life, when driving in heavy traffic, it's important to stay attentive at all times. Staying attentive can sometimes be challenging. Here are a few tips. Minimize distractions. Try to be in a quiet and comfortable environment. Take breaks. Short breaks can help you refocus. Be active. Engage with the material or situation, like taking notes or asking questions. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, stay attentive, and how you can use it effectively. Remember, being attentive is a valuable skill in learning and communication. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful English language tips.